channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a lehenga or a skirt. सबसे पहले हम ये पल्लू काटेंगे ताकि इसको बाद में यूज कर सकें. Okay, so let's cut it off. Now I'm going to stitch side seams together, and after that I'm going to fold it like this and I'm going to stitch all over. According to your elastic size, we are going to stitch here. Don't forget to leave small hole for elastic. For the skirt, because I didn't have enough fabric, so I just somehow managed to cut in pieces and sew that together, and that's what I have now. That's a 41 inches long, and from the bottom it's just a little bit extra, like 26, and this is 22.